Presenting the Bosch True Mix Pro Mixer Grinder in black color with chrome finish. It comes with a powerful 1000 watt high torque motor with 100% copper windings for high performance grinding. It is also equipped with overload protector that ensures safety for your appliance. Bosch True Mix Pro comes with high quality stainless steel jars with flow breakers that provide enhanced aeration for finer grinding and blending. It has a 1500 ml blending jar with fruit filter, 1500 ml wet grinding jar, 1000 ml dry grinding jar and 400 ml chutney grinding jar. It features uniquely designed blunt pounding blade with thick edges that replicate stone pounding effect on dry ingredients for authentic texture and taste. The high-quality stainless steel blades are suitable for wet, dry and chutney grinding and juicing. It features concealed bush for contamination-free mixing and grinding. This Bosch mixer grinder comes with strong lid locks for hands-free operation. It also comes with strong suction feet for better grip and stability. The cable management system provides for easy handling and storage. Bosch True Mix Pro comes with 2 years warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10-day replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For delivery, please refer to product detail page. Prime members get free delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.